Hello students, hope you are well. Today we will discuss the topic voice. The form of a verb that shows whether the subject of a sentence does an action or has an action done to it is called voice. So basically the verb tells us the form of the verb that shows us that whether the subject of the sentence, the subject subject we have done earlier, the subject does an action, the subject has done the action or action has been done to it, that is called as a voice. So basically there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. For example, we'll discuss through this example only. Ram helps Hari. Secondly, Hari is helped by Ram. These are the two sentences that has been spoken in a different way. So basically these are the two types of voice that we are going to discuss. In the first sentence, Ram helps Hari. The form of the verb shows that the person denoted by the subject does something. So the form of the verb help is a form of a verb. This is representing that the person denoted by the subject. Who is the subject? Ram here is the subject. That Ram has done something. So Ram has done what? Ram has helped Hari. So Ram helps Hari. That is an active voice. So basically verb helps is the active voice. In the second sentence, Hari is helped by Ram. The form of a verb that is helped is a verb that shows that something is done to the person denoted by the subject. Now the subject is denoting to which person? To Hari. Hari is the person, subject is Ram. So this helped is the form of the verb that is telling us, that is representing us that something is done to the person by whom? That is denoted by the subject. Subject is here Ram. So this is the difference between active and passive voice. So we can also say that the verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the person or the thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words, it is a doer of the action. Doer of the action means like Ram helps Hari. Help means it is an action that he is helping, and who is helping? Ram is helping. So Ram is basically here is the doer. Secondly, a verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Like Hari is helped by Ram. So here the person is Hari, or a thing we can say, if in any other sentence there is a thing, then there will be the second thing. But Ram is the subject here, and something has been done to the person by the subject. There are some more examples. Like in active voice we say the peon opened the gate. But in passive voice we are going to say the gate was opened by the peon. Who did this? By whom was this done? Sia loves Rita. Sia is loved by Rita. So in nutshell we can say is a verb is in the active voice when its form shows that subject is the doer of the action. And the verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the subject. So if it is quite quick, if it is very simple, in simple speaking, like Ram helps Hari, it is. So doer, the subject is here, and it's a very quick and the simple sentence that subject has done something to the person. But if it is little bit critical, like it has been indirectly said that Hari is helped by Ram, so it means that something has been done to this person by the subject. So it has been written in an indirect way. It is not directly said. We would have been saying like this only, Ram helps Hari, but in this we have changed its way, we have changed its voice, so that is why it has been written as Hari is helped by the Rama. So this is the difference between active and the passive voice. So please children, go through this all video and try to do the exercises in your book. Rest I will discuss later. Thank you so much.